Good morning, everybody. Let's get in here. This is the very first day one of the stream, guys. Big things, big things. I'm just kidding, we're fucking around. Nothing's gonna happen. Alright. 1 second. Ugh. Alright, so I don't really mark out much levels because I don't look at that. Although I do at least kind of zoom out, see where I'm at. I know we've been doing a bunch of ranging. Pretty much all we've been doing for the last, well, yesterday and I guess I assume today, retracing this entire single print candles. Yeah, so I would imagine we'll get to the top right here around 500 and either break through it or go down. My strategy for today requires a 1 minute, and we look for pullbacks of the lowest candle like that one, draw a little box, and then I wait to assume if there's going to be a break of the previous higher high, and then wait to see the price will come back down to this, at least inside or some area, and then like a trade back here, may or may not have taken a trade. Typically I'd like to see it go at least 50% into this, like as a move, but depending on the way price is moving, depending on if there was a little consolidation here, usually probably we'll see it just touch the top instead of going in. There's a lot of factors to go into whether or not it'll work out, but yeah, so that's about it. But we are open in 5 minutes, so I'm gonna take this time to drink my tea. This is me in all my glory in the early morning. I'm not a morning person, which is the thing that sucks about trading. I absolutely am not a morning person. So, it's like, whatever. Get the fuck out of here. Oh, and my apartment's doing like they're having a coffee shop in at some point. So what they're doing is, my girlfriend just texted me, "I love you," and in case you forgot, she bought me a croissant, which is in the fridge. So sweet. So sweet. Let me just check the stream out. Make sure everything's good. Oh, and my car's doing like a coffee shop at some point. So what they're doing is, my girlfriend just texted me, "I love you." I don't know about this audio quality. Is it better now? Oh, I think it is better now. Okay, perfect. Let me zoom in here a little bit so it looks better for y'all. Hey, we have one viewer. It's me. Small problem. I have a big ass monitor, like a 34-inch. When I play it out on here, it looks a lot smaller. This is kind of annoying. But whatever. There's that. to get used to it. Apologize for the clicking, it's just my tea. Giving it a good stir. Bought this shit all the way from China. From China. But yeah, my whole reasoning for buying it from there is because of the fact that it's like the best. I went on Reddit and I was like, you know, where can I find the best tea? Because I can't stand that, you know, the shit you get in the American grocery store and it's all like in little baggies and it's been sitting there for months and kind of tastes like cardboard. Yeah, so I went ahead and just found some actual loose leaf and stuff that was pretty good, and it is very good because I had to switch from drinking coffee because coffee was giving me too much acid reflux, because all I do is drink 2 cups of coffee a day and then basically no water, so, and then not really eat, so that'll do it. So I'm trying to be healthier, which supposedly is good for your teeth, makes you look younger, and supposedly protects you from Alzheimer's. I don't know. Anyway, and that's kind of it, really. I mean, I know there's a level somewhere up higher. Just kind of chill. It will be 8:30 in about 1 minute. Oh, 10 seconds. Let's go. I'm gonna switch over and check out someone else's stream for a second. Little spike in the morning. Part of me wants to do an opening trade where, like, if we're like consolidating somewhere right before we open, and then there's a little bit of support, you know, obviously here, and then just kind of focus on the extremes, and then just try to do a quick block. But obviously, if I was like, oh, well, we were kind of bullish, but I was like, there was at one point where I was like, okay, let's be simple here. If we were trending up in the early morning, then I should just place a buy, so we'll go up. Because for the past like 5 days, I was noticing that we always just gotta pop up for that week. I never did do that because I thought that was kind of stupid logic. And it was, because then the next couple of days we might have been up in the morning session, but then we would just like pop down. So I'm not entirely sure how to do this, but you could theoretically, if you knew what you were doing, just focus on the opening minute, because there's such volatility within that first minute, and you know, be done, which would be nice. For me, really, I could. I probably would have set 5 took these trades, which I probably wouldn't have. I probably would have waited, but then seeing all this, but I'm like, well, maybe. In which case, taking profit around the top here. I guess technically I could have considered this kind of here pullback, but just seeing how this and this is more of a consolidation. But then again, my strategy is more focusing on the extremes of price, so I guess kind of like support and resistance, but not really, if you get it, you know. I know it doesn't make sense, but that's it. Yeah. I typically go for 10 handles, points, 40 ticks. But that also depends on the volatility, you know. I notice if you look at my ATR down, ATR usually if we can stay around 15 to a low 5, you know, somewhere in this box range, I typically will. That signals to me that I'll most likely get a good trade of 10 handles. But if we kind of stay in the lower, like 10 to 2, we dip down to there, probably means I should stay around like 6, get 6 points, maybe increase my contract size. Alright, well. That was a strong sell-off. I don't know if I want to take any of that. Would you? See what my boy Brett Simba does. Well, he took fucking long there. I mean, typically I wait for a candle close, but I think there's a strong possibility we would get a bounce here, but it's not looking like it. I mean, kind of looking like it, but I don't think we will. Because we keep eating at the bottom. Yeah. So not taking any of those trades. There's a part of me that wants to start doing like, just because yesterday was actually a really great day for the strategy that I had. I wanted to implement just taking trades at the 50% mark and not, you know, if it stops me out, stops me out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. You know, for instances exactly like this, but the problem was I probably would have had my stop here, so I would have gotten hit. Yeah. Probably, dude. But, okay, so yeah, that would have been a good trade, but I noticed that we at times make a new low and then immediately reverse back up to go make a high, which might have something to do with higher time frame, yada yada yada. Personally, it just is what it is. It is something I noticed. There's like 3 ways these trades work out. We dip below it a little bit, go for a couple ticks, bounce back up. We just at the top of the, I guess, the lowest candle, the top of that, or we hit the inside of it. And that's kind of 3 things I really look at. That's why I kind of wait for the candle to close, because I used to kind of not, then I'd get burned too many times. But I also think that's because I didn't really know what I was doing, you know? But now I feel like I really have a better idea of what I'm doing, because, you know, I'm marking out these little boxes which signify he knows what he's doing. Whatever. I apologize if I've seemed very sleepy or laggy. It's how it be in the morning. I gotta get this coffee, this tea in me. Now I've been doing a hybrid. I've been doing coffee to tea ratio. Oh, I told you I forgot about the apartment, so I'll probably turn off the camera for a second. Damn. That was a really good trade, and I didn't do it like normally. Yeah, but the problem is I totally would have had that stop. I prefer to try to figure out how to get a stop that's less than 10 points, you know? I like watching this guy, Brett's, well, probably can't see that, whatever, Brett Simba. He's actually pretty entertaining, and his strategy is very unique. Well, it's more closer to what I like to do, because it kind of focuses, I always thought he focused on pullbacks, but he says he's more of a versatile trader, which he just looks at levels and goes, yeah, we'll probably reverse around there. And amazingly, he's right. Although, the times that he's wrong, he's usually down thousands. And then later, he'll be like, yeah, I got it all back. And then post it in the Discord with his PA shots. I'm like, damn, dude, alright. So that's nice. Nice for him. God, I hate the way I look. But can't be too insecure. Can't be too insecure. I have a medical bill that I haven't paid. It's $12. I don't know if I'm going to pay it because it's $12. Also, they didn't give me any way to pay it. They just send it in the mail. Who the fuck sends shit in the mail anymore? To like pay for bills. I'm not doing that. You're not doing that. I'm not fucking Gen Z, bro. That's like snail mail. That's like something the dinosaurs did. Think I'm gonna do that shit? No. Also, I googled that anything less than like 500 in medical bills, they kind of don't go after you or send it to debt collectors. So I'm kind of just thinking I'm not gonna pay it. Yeah. I gotta remember to look at the camera like, hello, you the audience, yes. But I'm looking at my camera on here and that. So anyway, damn, this dude is busting on it. Also, I apologize for this chair. I need to get a new one. I want to get the Stream Tech one. The Labs one, Secret Labs. I think that's the one. Yeah, it's like 200. One of the chairs. The one is like $250. I want to get that one. This one was like $70 from Amazon. Oh, I should send this to my mother. Perhaps she'll hop on. That's funny, but. I will say I do like the background screen. The background screen, I sent it to my mom. I don't give a fuck. The background screen, the green screen, the little money thing. Yeah, I found that on CapCut as a background thing, and I was like, yes, this stands out. This is fucking mint. Damn, this is the first time everyone's like, I'm up money. No way, Alec Cash with the trades by Matt. Hold up. This is the problem with me in trading. I kind of get distracted in my phone, and then I either miss phones or miss trades, or I'm just not doing anything. So yeah. Hello to my one viewer. Oh, it's probably me, wasn't it? Yeah, it's probably me. Oh, chance. You sign up here. Am I not signed in? That's kind of stupid. I will be right back. I'm gonna go refresh T. BRB as this was the other thing I was thinking of. Could have shorted up here. It's not really what I wanted to do anyway, but because it's kind of risky shorting one of the highs because you never know if they want to go up, especially when you just retrace the whole thing. But sometimes they need more liquidity to get above, so they'll just go at it. They'll go back and then go down and then go and up. So that's one of the things they do. I'm gonna say hello to myself. Yes, that is me on my alternate account. I like watching it on the live stream, like the live chat. I like it how it comes up. It's fun. I'll be right back. I'm gonna grab some tea. Apologies. I should really mute myself, but I got the mic right here. It's pretty nice. Whoever liked the stream, thank you. What do you guys think about the music? I'm told the music's a little too loud. But anyway, this is what I do every morning. I just kind of sit here and do nothing and watch the church. And hopefully I'll make a little bit of money. For right now, we're probably just going to range in between here and here until we break either side for the next 40 minutes. Alright, I'm going to mute myself real quick and I'm going to go grab that tea. I guess we're going to probably break down here. Bounce off of you up. Maybe. Or maybe not. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Did what I thought we were going to do. Let's see, are we more bullish or bearish? Here's your original start to this. And then lower high. Technically that is, but we're going to go with it. Lower them. Maybe we'll get up to somewhere over here. I really gotta get a new chair considering it's... because you can hear that. Anyway. So we're just gonna wait until this makes a break above somewhere and then a break down. Unless we find some type of acceptance. Well, like I said, we are looking more of a range, so ranges tend to just pop in and out and push the edges of the area it's combined from. Ah, shit. So, I might move back up. God, I'm so tired. It's looking like you can't decide where it should go.
Bounce off bananas, 325.
Although I do like that it's right at VWAP and kind of, bouncing off of it. Typically, it does like to bounce around VWAP and then,
I'm liking this market right here. I'm gonna take an
no idea if we'll continue upward or not.
You could be saying, why are you talking right into this resistance here? But I'm taking a look here. I see Tesla popping up hard. I see Nvidia holding 865 so far. I see Apple shoving up. I see Google shoving up.
I don't know.
Only thing right now is Meta
It is kind of bearish.
and Nvidia. It needs to get a little bit of
But
a
who the hell
get that
knows?
off of the support here. Tesla had a huge, nice candle. Really like that.
Don't really want to take any trade there because we broke lower, but we're probably just ranging. Probably. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Maybe I could take a trade. I'm thinking I would want to go short. This is what we did yesterday, right? Yesterday was like the best for my strategy because we had a little pullback. Missed that trade. Went down. Made a pullback. Went down. Broke a low. Made a lower low. Made a lower high. Made a lower low. Made a lower high. And then we were kind of probably would have taken a trade just because we were in this lower low area. And we just kept, going back and forth. So it was a really good day. The trade for me, at least.
I'm gonna place the entry down.
God damn, dude.
Here. I'm gonna place a TP here
So
at
tired.
64.50. If we pop back up above that,
Yeah.
55 or so resistance.
We made a lower low here, broke it to the upside, and then went down. I wouldn't have considered this a lower low because we never made a lower high off of this, so that's why I'm consider this. Technically, this would have been it here, but this is where I guess my intuition kind of comes in as to where I would actually look at. Although technically, if I just kind of focused on this end, because we made a low and a high, so it's not really something I focus on, but technically that also would have made money. But there are times where I probably wouldn't have. But you never write 100%. So we did break down. Okay, good. Gives me something to look at.
Check the discount code. My code works for that my funded futures, right? You still get it for $50.
Assuming we can move past. Yeah. Assuming if we break here, then I would consider this a valid pullback and a break of structure. I do have difficulty figuring out, like, should I consider this a change of character or refreshingly bullish? Or should I consider, this right here a change of character? Because technically, once we broke all this, we're a lot more bullish. So I don't know. But all I know is that I mainly focus on just kind of internal pullbacks and breaks like that. It's kind of all I really need to focus on. No need to make it super complicated because I'm not trying to make big moves. I'm just trying to find, a high win rate with a reasonable amount of points I can capture. So if this were to break down and then kind of move back up somewhere over here, and I'm able to get like 10 handles, that's $200 per contract. If I do that with 2 contracts, then that's all I need. And it's kind of, $200 to $400 is really a golden spot to focus on because you get 20 accounts. 200 times 20 is 10K, I think. I don't know, I can't think. 4,000. It's 4,000. But I think that's how Trade by Matt does it. He does 200, 300 a day. And in a month or 30 trading days, he's already up 240,000. So I thought that was crazy. It's technically doing double than that. So if you do 400, so if you do 400 a day, in 30 trading days, you could be up 240. But, that's assuming you know what you're doing. Well, we're not really breaking down, so we might reverse out of here. It's liking that VWAP, baby. Okay, let's go. Oh, damn. Definitely could have. It is kind of small. So that's what I find a little annoying. I couldn't just switch to the bigger screens. Maybe I should do that. Problem is, it covers my overlay, that's why I didn't do that. I don't know how not to get it to cover this. do it. I'm stupid. Okay. There you go. That's a lot better. That looks better. Dang. Let me hide that shit. Huh, okay, neat. So anyway, we did break up there. I suspected, so I'm gonna delete this. I suspected of the either or. Huh. I think this is gonna be a slow day for me.
Doesn't mean I wouldn't use something else, probably, if something better comes out, right? But, like, I require tick data, therefore I will not use trading. I think trading is great for crypto. It's not great for futures, straight up. It's not built for trading. It's built for viewing trades, right? It's built for analysis, which is great. But it's not built for it. Use something that was built for it. Quanttower seems pretty sick. A lot of people have latency issues. I require very high levels of reliability. I have a full video about why I love trading it. Same thing. Okay.
I haven't had any latency issues.
Zero chart trade copy or made a huge difference for me. There's literally some zero slippage. Well, and then you throw that in a pack, right? Like tool wise, built-in copier for zero chart is beyond excellent for me. Do you have promo code for zero chart? No, I did not. Also worth noting, I know nothing about how to use zero chart at the end of the day. I use Geary for everything. Gary's a homie for building all of my screens for me and helping me with tutorials. Zero chart's confusing as shit. Let's be real. Let's throw it the way it is. It's very, very confusing. He has gone through a lot of effort to give us like dark screens, for instance. This is not like normal zero chart looking stuff. So I use tradingplatformhelp.com for all of my zero chart stuff. All of Gary's tools. Gary built me this, built me my screens. He's the goat.
We are, I think, just putting in support at B-Wall. We'll keep moving back down it. Which makes me think we won't continue higher. Oh, okay, so there we go.
I think there is, I think next space one TPA. There should be a couple of videos that cover what packages you need for zero chart for pricing and all of that, included in the video. If you actually want like the custom instance that I have, it's down there. It's like $5 a month, $7 a month, something like that. Here we go. Just gets you access to what you'd be doing, calling in your scalps. I believe there is templates for Gary's zero chart setup.
God damn, stupid thing.
Really not gonna float in the 20s there. Still gonna hold 20 control. First CD deal.
T. Should I take the trade? Probably not. Might do a micro on it. Just to do something. See what this dweeb's doing. we're going down.
All April, what did I say? Did I say February? I meant to say all April. I don't know where the fuck I got February from. Up to 44. Just want to add at 44. And I'm just going to put the stop here at 39. Apple 170. Let's go. Come on.
Oh, Christ.
Alright, $100 loss. Alright, guys, that's it for me. I'm going to call it. I hope you guys have a good day. If you have a NVIDIA eval. But if we sell off, then that's going to be a problem.
Oh, hello, Tinsolando. Music is very loud, but it doesn't sound loud as it is in my headphones. It is. So, Maureen,
Bears are definitely in control right now.
yeah, you think so, buddy? I think I'll just do an NQ.
Right now, I think my play is if we test this EMA again, I'm going to short it. Gotta go with the
Yeah.
trend right now. The trend is lower.
It's
The
gonna do
Bears
that for
seem
a
to be in
minute.
control.
Although short from here,
I'm
because
a little suspect of it, but
you know how sometimes you get that like support here, and then it like breaks below, and then it just
I
kind
mean,
of
in hindsight, this was
rejects
a bad
like it is
trade.
now.
I should. Basically, this was a breakout trade, and I
But
know better.
it's not really what I want to do.
Shouldn't have done it.
Consistent profits, people. Consistent trades. Consistent setups. Is usually what wins in the long term.
Yeah, I mean, I was looking at it like this.
I think tomorrow is supposed to be
Looking at this like a double positive.
CPI day,
So
so I think we're just going to be
once we break above
slow and kind of ranging.
I thought we'd
I think that's
try to make
typically
it
what
get
happens
to
on
400s
the day
basically.
before that.
That's my theory. The fact that we didn't really put in
Let me look it up real quick. Oh yeah, we do have CPI tomorrow, which means, yeah, we're just gonna be like a slow range trade today. Probably will not do much. Let's see if this trade works out. I don't think it will, but who knows? looks like we're not going to do any of that. Which is why I typically say I want to wait for a candle close. But trying to be a bit more aggressive. Dude, oh, if this works out, that'd be amazing. Though I wonder if I should. I think it'll be fine. Okay, I like this. I just need you to close down more. No, don't do that. Oh, come on. I don't think it's gonna work. Keeps wanting to push it. And I need to push the other way. Just enough. The problem with trading is that you may be right about it. Going away, but the question is how much. And if you're not right enough, then it won't work out. So I think it's not going to work out because we're breaking above it. So, but who knows? We have all these like types of range plays. Okay, see what I mean? Whenever we get in the rangy area, although we didn't break up it, but should I take this off early or not? That is the question. I don't know. Something makes me think that we might just fill this fair value gap, as they call it, in the ICT circle. But so far, I kind of like that it does reject that. I just don't like that it doesn't go lower when it does that. You know what I mean? That is the all-time trouble. I want to take it off because I don't think it's working. See? Hate that. Oh my god, what is it doing? See what I mean? It just kind of wants to tick up and tick that. Unless, of course, it just decides, oh my god, dude, I'm going to lose it. I'm going to lose it. I think I might just take this off early if it doesn't dump right now. Okay, there we go. 51. Taking this off a little early. Move this down. Come on, hit it. Hey! So that was a winner. Nice. I did move it up by like one tick though. But see what I mean? We'll do a little. Dude, hang on. Let me just. You see that? Okay, no, but let me hit the settings so we can look at this. Visual trading positions, currency, show trades. That's what I want. You see that? I had it there. Oh, because it's not gonna show your stop, but my stop was literally right there. Let me zoom in. Boom. Order. stop. Literally. Oh, dude, and I thought about that too, because I was like, it's technically right here at this. I don't like having stops in between, gaps of a candle, and even though it was a small gap, but I wanted to move it up just a tick, but nah, that's crazy. What did we get on this? 1850. Okay, so I was 2 ticks off. Whatever. Or was I? Plus, the fees on the micros are freaking terrible. So it's probably like what? Oh, okay, I was 1850. Yay. Okay, well that was a success. Yeah, but again, waiting for candle closures is kind of the thing, but that's what I mean by you just got to be right enough. Yeesh. Well, I'm glad that one worked out. First trade of the day on the stream. Would have been kind of embarrassing if it didn't. I think I need to. I'm gonna have to mark that in my note when I took that trade. The trade was 913 to 918. So that was neat. That was real neat. Okay, I think this is what I'm gonna do. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some coffee. I wish I could be right back, but I wish I could have it here, but with a be right back on my face. I wonder if I do a little label. No, that's not it. Text. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, I'm gonna go get some coffee. I'll be back in like All right, I went and got the coffee. We got a little. See if we can see that. Well, I'm not gonna try to mess with the whatever. I gotta manually zoom this in, so I'm not gonna bother with that. But point is, cool design and everything. And they said they're working with a roaster in Mobile to build out their blends and kind of get everything right. I thought it was, terrible. I hate to be that guy, but it was. Although then again, I'm a very critical person, and I'm always like, oh, it's terrible, it's terrible. But it, could be better. But I will say maybe it might have been the creamer that kind of threw it off, because I did think straight black wasn't that bad, but had a very fruity kind of taste to it. But at the same time, I just also don't like Arabic beans, which is what everyone uses, because the cheapest one to use. If you actually use like specialty blends, you would vomit, or you would enjoy that more, and it would be very expensive. Damn. So I missed this trade right here. I would have taken this again. Anytime I get a pullback that I can, and then the price moves back to, and then kind of rejects, like I would have milked that. I would have milked it all the way down here. Well, actually, I probably would have just done here because I try to be conservative, but dang. Gonna get that money up soon. Alright. So, did what I wanted on this one. So yeah, we had 2 trading opportunities. This was kind of looking, not really. Okay, well, now I gotta use the bathroom. So. Okay. Looking at this shit right here. So I guess we broke the low that we made at 5:45 this morning. And the low yesterday was right here, which we also broke. So we're, didn't do what I thought we would do, which is why I don't try to trade higher time frames, because I never know what I'm talking about.
So today I am going to do the
But anyway, so we got a pull back here. And a pull back here.
But it's gonna be later in the day, guys. Later in the day. I'm gonna hang out, try to trade a little bit, and then what a drop. I was expecting a bullish day today. I'm gonna wait for the clear reversal. It's gonna come.
You see, like this, right? I always say to myself, oh, you could have, there was a time where I was getting a little greedy.
No stop loss, exactly why you want to take out.
I was getting a little greedy, and I would see giant moves like this, right? And I would be like, I gotta, make all that. I mean, if I had one contract on it, if I actually held my trade from there, I would have been up 3,000. But the reality of that, kind of happening, it's hard to predict, it's hard to notice, it's hard to get. And then you got, that was just something I could never do, was like analysis of a higher time frame, and then actually create a better, analyze a higher time frame and kind of be able to figure out where it might go, reasonable expectations, I guess I could say. Because honestly, if I was doing this, I would have thought it would have went to here, But the thing is, I'd have to be able to consistently do that day in and day out for it to be, reasonable trading. Otherwise, I'm just kind of gambling off. Not gambling off, but just blindly like, yep, let me hold that. I had thought of just doing my normal trading and then just like, putting stops above swings and like, I'll leave it as a runner. But, that might be something in the future, because I think that's the only way I'm going to be able to do that. Because, imagine. See, technically that is like 10 times, 10, 12, 12 to 13 more than what I do in a day, so that's a really high RR. God, that's terrible. Ugh. I'm gonna go see if they were selling cookies, so I'm gonna try those cookies out. The cookies, though, guys. They're actually really good. I'm not gonna lie. I think this is an oatmeal cinnamon with nuts kind of cookie. Very good, very sugary. So, cookies are a 10 out of 10. But that's my premise. My brother lives.
Is it okay to let your account block after payout approved yesterday? Yes.
See this right here? This is annoying. Could have been a really good trade. I just didn't get triggered. It just didn't want to go all the way. This is kind of the thing with super aggressive price action. But then I get nervous if it like doesn't, I'll bounce off of here and then goes there, because it could reject just a little bit and continue. I don't need it to continue with the trend. I just need it to reject enough to go to where I want it to go, which the range right now is freaking crazy. So we could reject. Like the way it's, or the volatility for, like, look how big this is compared to this. I was over here looking at this, like, big-eyed. I'm like, oh yeah, of course. And then it's like, phew. Makes a lot of sense though.
My funding futures is alright.
But if your quality is at 720, 60, whatever, turn it to 1080p. That's what the stream is at. If we bounce up here and go back up, I might not take a trade. Could possibly take a trade to reverse from here, but well, we made it to an hour 30 of streaming, so that's nice. An hour 30. Hello, everyone. I think this is loud enough, but it may not be loud enough. Although I think I turned off the gain just a little bit because I was worried it was gonna get a lot of background noise. Yeah, this sounds very quiet. Is music even playing anywhere? No, it's not. I forgot to do the music on. Loop. Where is my media? Oh, never mind. Sorry. Not that anyone's watching, except for myself, of course. I'm bored. Bored. I gotta turn this up on. I guess the thing is, if you turn your mic up all the way, it just echoes. That's funny. guess that's that. Maybe I'll turn the gain up. Okay, how about now? All right, well that's good. All right, so we did make a new low. Okay. And a low high. So the question is, do I take a trade there? Part of me is wanting to constantly trust my strategy and being like, I'm just gonna take a trade no matter what. But sometimes I do tell myself, I was like, you could have, like, there are times when prices just like, it's like rushing really fast. That's like really obvious that you didn't need to take a trade there because it was just gonna blow past. So it's like those situations I'm trying to avoid. So far, I think I had maybe like yesterday there was probably like 2 or 3 trades that would have, hit my stop loss, and I had like 8 that were winners, and the ones that were hitting my stop loss were also like, like $150 to maybe $100 loss to, I think one was 200. So if I'm making 200-ish on every trade, although right now we are just high volatility, so I probably could do 80 ticks. Ads. One day I'll get ads on this channel. One day. Yeah, you will. Look at you.
No matter what industry you're in, you are most likely competing against someone who's very smart at some level of it all. But like calling.
No, I want to check it out. Alright, whatever, dude. I'll even give that 5 gifted. I don't know why on streams you have to allow gifts. Like, of course I want to be gifted something. Duh.
Get like smart within the next 30 minutes. Show us where the smart money sold today, Matt. Okay, I bet the smart money sold.
Right here.
I bet smart money
Link to
concept
everything.
sold 160. True smart money sold everywhere. Why not? Why not everywhere? I don't know. Don't care. Don't care. Don't know. Don't care.
Alright, so we're getting a little push up here.
I'm rank 1, prestige 10, level 69 on the smart money concepts leaderboard. That's great. Good comment.
So there.
Smart money bought 150. Yeah. Also a good comment.
I'm gonna see if it rejects
350.
first.
I thought you were saying 150, which means I was gonna say that's pretty solid.
I don't think it is. Yeah, I'm not gonna.
I just think it's
I'm
funny.
not gonna take that trade. I think it's just gonna blast past.
What the banks are doing.
What did I tell you?
Like literally, we're in it to trade for 2 minutes at a time.
Trade I was gonna take because we didn't really reject.
most of us are not trying to have these like massive
The question is though, will we reject this? Because technically this was an internal pullback. This was more of the actual swing. So I might.
Who cares, man?
Should
Get
I?
your bag and get out. Who cares?
Should I take this trade? I don't think so. But we'll see. I'd like to see it kind of get up there, and I would like to see it kind of reject more, but it just seems to be pushing, so I think we'll wait unless we get some type of confirmation or, you know, kind of like, God, what the fuck? I think I'm gonna make more tea. Yeah, see, we're breaking up. So if anything, we might reject here. But honestly, this is just like solid up candles. So that's crazy.
Can you show where you took a trade today? You can see it on my screen.
I think I'm gonna get more tea.
Speaking of cars, what do you think of the Venom F5? Love it.
Mute myself.
All this also, like the flip side is that like
Oh, damn.
I've been trading the same way for a long time. It's hard for me to kind of remember what it was like when I knew literally nothing. So
these ones are ass. This one seemed to have some
benefit in order to see
actual grass.
what kind of what happened when on a given strategy. Like I do kind of see the benefit of that, I guess. But like then you
I'm
also
thinking we
face the
reject
problem
here,
of like
right?
a lot of shit repaints. Like if you're trying to backtest indicators and stuff like that, unless in outside of like pure candles, a lot of that repaints over time, especially on TradingView. So then it's really bias inducing.
It's just, I'd be risking too much. I don't want to do that. You know what I mean?
But yeah, I guess it is hard for me to say because I've been kind of doing the same thing for so long. But I just think like find something you want to try,
I'm gonna take a
try
trade.
it in a live environment, figure out if you like it or not. If you don't like it, move on, try something else. If you do like it, use it. If you partially like it, pick out what you like and then add it onto the rest of your strategy. In my personal opinion, and the way that I have created what I trade, right? It's taking little bits of information here, there, things I've read about, things I found online, things
I've learned about in Discord and throwing it all together into what is now this. What I like. Talking about it with friends. But it's not like some, like, you know, this is the only way to trade. Like, no. I think it's like a constant level of improvement, a constant level of trying new things in some capacity. Figuring out what works, what you like, how your brain works. How my brain works is going to be different than how your brain works. And, like, yeah. I figure out what you like. And a lot of times figuring out what you like is through live learning.
You know, if I miss it, it's fine. I'm just gonna wait. When the volatility is kind of high.
It's not great. I think it
I'll be
matters
right back.
what I'm doing day to day. Not really. It's on my latest payout, and I talk about all the prices incurred that I've incurred. What do you think about TJR? I don't know who TJR is.
So yeah, pretty high volatility. Thing is, though, we are looking like we're just gonna move down.
Practical solution to the U.S. debt problem. One that is going to blow your minds. Are you ready? Here it is. We're gonna blow your minds. One quick comment on how the U.S. could start moving in the right direction. Ready? Don't spend as much money. All right. There it is.
Wow, brilliant.
Don't give away as much money, and your debt will start going down a little bit. All right. That's as political as I will get. Nice push to the 220s here. Value area low on the session.
Kind of think we're just gonna keep going up,
Thanks for
but
coming to Matt's Smart Money TED Talk.
we might be able to push down.
I'm not saying to cut military spending. I'm saying there's billions and billions and billions of dollars that are sent different places around the world and to different programs in the United States and there's a lot of very small, I'm not talking the big ticket items, there's a lot of very small ticket items that absolutely add up. That goes to the most random shit you'll ever see in your whole life. Gary, have a good one. I'm gonna go and get on out of here as well. Good luck, everybody.
Nope, looks like we're just gonna keep going.
$1,500 on this session. Probably will sit around after I take a break. I'm gonna go take a break and eat some breakfast. I didn't eat breakfast yet. And I'll probably sit around and look for another 5 to 10 points and just kind of see if it happens. And if it doesn't happen, it's not a big deal. But I want to see if I can find something like that. I kind of need the market to slow down a little bit for that to happen. Like 20-point candles are not the way.
Damn, I guess I could have taken it at that.
Get on out of here.
Which was what I was kind of thinking.
$1,500 on the session. Thanks for hanging. I'll see you tomorrow for Hump Day, and I'll see you in the Discord for any continued trading talk. Good luck. Be smart, be patient. $1,500 on the session. Thanks for hanging.
Yeah, because I would have been able to get that right there, but whatever. Realistically, I only need one trade to work out for me. But the thing is, you kind of want to keep trading if you're making good decisions, you know. Also, when it comes to pullbacks, I tend to look at like the highest pullback of any move, because that's where you'll most likely see the greatest chance of a rejection. So yeah, Matty Bar is in a short. Is that what he's in? That's what it looks like. My guy.
I really want to keep holding this trade. I think we're gonna pull back. But if I'm wrong,
He's in. Jesus, dude.
oh,
Is he in the M and? Oh, he is in M and Q. Huh. Well, good thing he's doing M and
I
Q.
hate being in these trades. I hate it.
Well, so move your stop, dude. Put it to, I guess how I did it. You know, at the end of that pullback. Oh, dude, are we not gonna break that? Is this potentially a trading opportunity? The answer is no. Anyway, listen, if you don't make money, then you're not losing money. But if you're not making money, you're not growing. But the thing is, you gotta be more right than you are wrong. So being patient to find kind of those setups that just look absolutely juicy. Yesterday had the most juiciest setups. Didn't take any of them because I was kind of distracted. But if we actually kind of pop up and then close back into here, I think that's a juicy setup, sort of. Let me try this. This is where I never can tell. Should I take the trade at the close or move it up just a little bit if we get a bounce? I'm not sure. I'll risk it. But I also don't want it to continue upwards, you know? Damn. I guess I should have lowered it a little bit because I would have gotten that. I would have gotten it. I think? No? I don't like this. Okay, I would have almost gotten this. What, 24?
Hey,
Yeah.
Mega Academy. Thanks for the dono. Appreciate that.
Yeah. Dude, that would have made me mad. It was like ringing.
Thank you for the $5, Mega Academy. You don't have to do that. Oh, this is just ugly. Man, do I hate these trades. Oh, I hate it. Like, I hate it for the reason that my brain is telling me to hold it and that I'm on the right side of it and that we are in a downtrend, just to be patient, to hold it. My heart is telling me to bail, get out.
Okay.
That's
Yeah.
what I hate.
So that would have been a
Gotta
decent trade.
I
Damn.
just gotta be committed, gotta have conviction here. I do really think we're gonna pull back, so I'm gonna hold it.
I think we'll pull back to.
You just gotta be willing to live with the consequences. The consequences are,
I think we'll pull
my
back to here.
stop is right here. If I get hit, the stop gets hit, we're looking at a end of day trade. That's gonna be it for the day. That kind of trade.
Oh man, that was a good trade. See, you know, you gotta trust your zones just a little bit more.
If we pull back,
I really should have just trusted this rejection, but
because right now this could just be a small pullback and then we rip to new highs.
yeah, he's right.
But I will. I'll move my stop to here.
Come on, baby, keep on going.
Come on, sellers, get in here.
Oh yeah, it could have been an 80 tick trade. That would have been nice. Ugh, I don't even know what I want to do today.
This is what I'm afraid of.
Oh, I gotta go to Walmart and get my girlfriend a pill box. Because she needs to take her medicine. But what is it that I want to look at? I don't know. Hello? Okay, there we go. Just making sure my mic was on. Sorry. To my #1 fan out there, I love you. Live nudes. Damn, imagine selling earplugs for $30 because they are elegantly designed. Oh. It does say noise canceling, so does it have a battery pack? No. Anyway, $30 because it looks like fucking Apple AirPods. And it comes in different colors. Frequently returned item though, but a lot of people buy it, so. Dude. God. That was a trade I wanted to take. The point is, I can't mentally, like, it's hard to mentally take a loss. You know? But, I mean, I wouldn't have taken a loss on this, but that's where I'm like, but I mean, well, I could have taken a loss if I wasn't, like, if I was here and I was like, oh, here. Although, yeah, because it would have broken above and I was trying to put a stop here. And I was like, nah. And I was like, I'm pretty sure we'll get to the extreme of this. It's just hard. It's just hard. But right here was just a good indication that, even that, I mean, the ranges is really big today. But it looks like we're just making ourselves internal pullbacks of like higher highs because we want to, I assume it's trying to reverse and go all the way back up to here. But who knows? Who knows what it's trying to do? Alrighty. I'm just gonna look at gameplay. Yeah, so we're just making our way up higher, making lower lows, things like that. We'll put one there. Wonderful. But the thing is, from pushing, this is the thing. If you're pushing higher highs, higher lows, shit like that, you actually, the previous lower highs can be areas where it decides to pull back and then push above, you know, kind of like a little resistance zone. So you still have opportunity there. Swallow the tea leaf. Anyway, I had one winning trade today and I haven't taken a trade yet after that, so.
biggest
What can I say?
RPG release of 2021. This game features a massive open world that mixes supernatural and fantasy themes set in an early modern MMORPG experience. Even though a lot of people were asking me to cover the beta, there it is. Eternum awaits. Vested level 9, so now I need to choose a faction, and I'm pretty sure I want to go with the Marauders, the yellow faction.
Okay, new world seems cool, but also lean. Oh, he's about to get taken out. Damn. To my #1 viewer out there, thank you. Okay, see, we're doing a little dancey dance right here. We broke a high, or made a lower high in this solid. I would consider this the change of character if we get above it, because we're pretty bearish. Because this was the low of day earlier, which also became kind of a support pullback area. So I'm curious if this is where I might want to take a trade, but
It is what it is.
this I just don't like taking trades when it's more than my usual stop loss would be. But if I was able to sell and then go here and then hold this to right there, that would make sense. But stonks, yeah, whatever, dude. What's up, Mr. Xeon? Okay, let me show you my whole scenery. So I got starting scene, cool. Be right back, ending, and then just that, which pretty nice. But that's what I got going on right now. Oh man, that's nice. I also like the chat box. Look at the little chat box here. It's pretty cool. I like that. Yeah, it was it was a $30, $28 overlay that I bought from owned.tv. Oh yeah, no, it is nice quality transitions. The only thing I don't like is when I look at it on my phone, it looks kind of low quality of a stream, but the transitions and all that, hella nice. So, and then I got the little music. Is the music too loud or too low? Is my voice quality good? I can't really tell. What's your opinion, Zach? Should have taken a trade right there. Yeah, could have gotten a winner. Damn. Would have been nice. Yeah, that's what I was going for. Kind of a lower background chill vibe, but I'll turn it up a little bit. But at the same time, I technically, because there are some other people that I've seen that play Spotify music, like EDM. Let me throw on some EDM, and they do not get Thank you for the chat thumbnail. Yeah, dude, it was so easy to make actually. I just went on CapCut and then found some background shit and then just enhanced, put some just basic text with the little stuff around it, and I was like, sick. Hello. I like this song. I just never know if I'm gonna get kicked off or muted because I'm playing copyrighted music, but whatever. There's 2 people watching this, you and my mom, so I don't think they're gonna notice. but this lo-fi music I did actually buy because it was copyright free. So. But anyway, an absolute good area to make money. Let me show you, if you're still watching, let me show you how to take a sell order. I take a sell like that. Put a limit order. I'm in a trade. This is probably gonna lose. And then boom. I made what, $2 off of that? Right, it is. Yeah, I made $4 off of that, so this is what I got in the account right now, $470, and I made $22 today, which I'm just doing micros because I'm just kind of nervous about shit. But I did that, but then when I was going through a bad streak, I'm negative 1,000 on the other one, so that's not good. But I just need I need 4 more days of making $200 of $200 or more, and I can get a payout. But oh damn. Well, could have held that for 10 points, but whatever. So yeah, this is my setup. Welcome to my stream. This is how I be trying to make money. So far, been pretty right all day. So if I did the let me zoom in really fast, because if I do the main contract, which is what I really should be doing, I don't know if you, well, I guess I can't point to it, but if you look at the, oh, no matter how big I zoom in, it's not going to show that. But, you know, it's like $20 per point, so you get 10 points, 200. Funny Yeah, there we go. Let me move my, yeah. I'll move this. That's my setup right there. So I got that, and then I got the chatting on there. Yeah. So that's how that's going. Anyway, and now you get to see the inside of my house. I'll have to invite you over sometime. Yeah, but anyway, didn't buy an expensive ass camera for nothing. I've had it for 2 years, haven't done anything with it, so I guess I'm glad I got to do something with it. But right now I'm just chilling. Yeah. Anyway, that would have been a good trade. Switching. Yeah, but I've been live for like 2 hours, so damn, I can't believe that battery only lasts an hour. Yeah, I definitely need to find that thingy that I was using. Also, this chair, you can pick up that little squeaking noise. I absolutely hate that. I want to get a secret lab chair because this sucks, but so yeah, I think we're gonna probably just sell down here Because if we don't bounce off of my little omni trend or this pullback here, but overall we're pretty bearish, so it's affecting your trades. No, it's not, dude. My mental state's affecting my trades. But second of all, anytime I wanted to take a trade, I was actually right. Because I didn't take this one, I didn't take this one, and those were the two that I was like, yeah, that would work. But whatever. Whatever. I don't know who the other person is watching. I don't know if that's Sam, but if it is, you should say hello, dude. Don't be a stranger. Can't be just Z on TV chatting. Oh my god, dude. Major Taylor Greene defends claim that eclipse earthquake is signs to repent. God, how fucking Neanderthal of a brain do you have to be like, cosmic signs? Oh, there's a god. Jesus, dude. Like, I don't know, maybe, just converse with your God if that was a sign, since he supposedly talks to you. I mean, shit, I'll talk to him right now. Dear God, was that eclipse a sign to repent? He must be busy. He didn't say anything. Check back later, I guess. Green said that while eclipses are predictable, they still are created by God and can be signs for those who believe. Many have mocked and scoffed at this post and even put community notes, Green said. Jesus talked about that in Luke something. She continued, yes, eclipses are predictable and earthquakes happen and we know when comets are passing by. However, God created all of these things and uses them to be signs for those of us who believe. Shit. Oh, dude, and this is another good area. The only reason I didn't really want to take this was because we're technically still pretty bearish, but could have been a scalp. I'm just going to leave that off and say this is, I mean, if I did, I would have just taken a really short one to here, because it typically will reject somewhere around there, and it might be doing that, or it might go all the way back up. Alright, went all the way back up. God, who dis? Exactly. Who is this? God. But anyway, other than that, if I don't actually have people to chat with, the stream is going to be hella boring, unless I'm just, constantly taking trades and losing and making money, and I'm going, oh my god. I've had a demo account, which for some reason they took away. It would be nice if I had it back so I could just take trades randomly, so we could just watch money go up and down, because that would be interesting. I want to get, I wonder, let me go on, if I, Amazon, let me send you a link to the chair I would buy. That one, I think it's just the, yeah, that one. What the fuck? Oh, I can't. I didn't post a fucking link then, Jesus. Real quick, anyone know how to post a link? Oh, maybe I have to hit this shareable, copy link. Ah, yeah, there we go. This is the gaming chair I would buy. It's like $280. 10 views? What does that mean? Like people that come in and out? I guess so. Noble Rocker? No, that's probably not the one. Actually, I don't really give a shit. I just need something that reclines really well, doesn't creak. The Noble Rocker isn't that bad. Huh. Let me check on my actual account. What? Oh, by the way, I don't know if you're still watching or not, Zach, but I saw Amazon has a game called New World. I don't know when it came out, but it kind of looked RPG, Dark Soul-y, but it doesn't really have a whole lot of... It's like, what? A 4-star. No, not even a 4-star, like 3.8 star. So I guess people didn't like it, but I thought it seemed kind of cool. What is the chair I was looking at? Oh, it was the Noble Rocker. Okay. Never mind. Yeah. So that one. It is that one that I was looking at. I would buy that one. He's gone. Alright, I'm gonna go take it. And we're back. It's a WoW with Dark Souls aiming. Alright. Never played any of that shit, so probably because I don't like it. Huh. Alright. Make it low, then we move back up. I was kind of assuming that, we would either fully go up here or just reverse off of this, which we actually did, but if we go all the way back up, then I'm not thinking like that no more. So yeah, I was right. Could have done a little scalp there. Definitely could have gotten the full points that I wanted. But that's the thing about trading. It's basically gambling. You never know. But you have good indications of it. This one I was not going to take because it was just straight bullishness. Huh. But yeah, I took a trade earlier. I took that trade. So that was cool. Real cool. Might reject there. Zach, are you learning how to make money yet? watching paint dry. God, this is so boring. I'm not even interested anymore. Oh. Also, the thing that sucks is I'm gonna have to, the quality of when I try to play COD and like stream it, the quality of it goes down, and I basically have to, my 1440p 4K monitor, I gotta switch the quality because the stream quality is 1080p, so I gotta switch the quality of the COD game to 1080p as well, so that, you know, it actually looks good for streaming. So, but that's, you know, that's a whole different thing. I'm not gonna do that though, now at least. I do actually want to know where my battery thing is though. I have a junk drawer of all the electronics. Figure out where that's at. Where the fuck is it? Ah, I found it. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. It's a big boy. Well, anyway, thank you for coming on the stream and supporting. I gotta plug this in somewhere. Just gonna plug it in over there. This is the battery thing. You put in this in your camera, and then you plug it in, and then it's just a congruent thing. Do-do-do-do. Right, now I gotta fix this. Usually like right here. Turn it this way. How did I have this set up before? Because I was not having two doors. Just further back more. Oh yeah. Didn't have all that shit. Perfect. Yep. Interesting. Really interesting. I'm gonna go boil some water to make some tea. all day. Get some fruit snacks and mantecadas. Anyway, it doesn't matter. These are really good. Now this, yeah, they reject here, or bounce out, or continue higher, reject or bounce higher. Either way. Well, so far kind of rejected. So far we're not. This will probably lose, but I'm going to take a trade right there. Will we hit my profit target, or will we hit my stop loss? Are we about to lose money, or are we about to make it? Who knows? But I would say we'll lose it. I don't know. Kind of rejecting, but it was kind of doing that earlier here, so we'll see where it goes. It's only, I'm thinking risking like $20 to make $20, so just doing this for some confidence boosters, you know. God, just fucking sell down. Just do a little quick little reject, you know. Oops. Come on, you little shit. Come on, come on. Just break it. Just break this candle. Just break the candle. Break the candle. Break it. Come on. It may or may not do that. It's not going to do that. It's going to keep going higher. Probably push higher. I mean, it's not really closing red, so which makes me want to just cut this trade. I think I'm just gonna cut it. Take the trade. God. Come on. Cut the trade. Cut the trade. Cut the trade. Cut the trade. Sometimes you get the fill, sometimes you don't. Dear Christ on a stick, just fucking take it. Yeah, I don't like this price action. It's just moving up. It's not rejecting anything. It's just slowly grinding up. Could it have worked out? Possibly. I just 22.50. Yeah, break break even. Okay. The only reason I really didn't think we were gonna sell off there is the fact that we kept slowly moving it instead of closing red. But who knows? That's not even close. Oh, looky there. It didn't. Oh, I got out of that. So I think I will do this pullback. Gummies. I brew a little bit of tea. I just burned it on myself. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh. Do we reject here? I mean, technically I wouldn't want to take a trade because it kind of pops it a little bit, but it's looking promising. I think I just missed it though. Or not, we'll see. Come on, break. Yeah. Keep going. That's what we want to see, boy. That's what we want to see. All right. I took a trade there. Okay, we are up $42. So if I was doing what I want to do, I'd be up 400. Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. You missed it, Zach. Oh man, and to the tick too. I love that shit, dude. I love that. See, this is the moments that I love. You know, you're doing all this boring shit for like hours. I spent like what? I made a trade here, and so from there, that was how many? An hour and 30 minutes. I spent an hour and 30 minutes just looking at this, going, yeah, I should take a trade here. I could take a trade here. Not doing any of it, and then boom, I get a winner. That's all I needed. Bada bing, bada boo. And listen, you get 20 accounts, $400. That's what? 8K? You got 8K? You do that, 30 trading days, it's $250,000. So in about, there are 240 trading days in a year. And if you made that 8K, everyone, let's just say you made 8K on half of it. Ah, dude, you missed it. You missed it. No, I'm not rich yet, but I did take the trade right here. Because first I took a trade here, but then I was like, I don't think it's gonna, I think it's just gonna blow past. So then I took it off for, break even. But then we ended up kind of popping it a little bit and then finally getting like a red candle down, and I was looking at this one, and I was like, I think we'll just move back down, or at least get a good pullback there. I still think we're trying to go to the upside, but this is like the last pullback we had of all the pullbacks. And normally I wouldn't really take a trade there, but I was like, I think it'll work. Anyway, perfect entry. Yeah, perfect. Well, this was the previous one that I scratched, and I was like, I'll take this one. 10 handles, $20. I'm up $42. But anyway, you missed my whole spiel about how I'm just trading micros right now for, I don't know, anxiety's sake, I guess. But if I was trading the full contracts, I would be up $420. And then, you do that with like 20 accounts that I'm trying to work towards getting, which is like $1 million in funding. But you get 20 accounts, 8K, and there's 240 trading days in a year, 8K a day. That's $2 million a year, which, whatever, you're not gonna win all the time, or you're not gonna have green days all the time, but you could take, losses on trades, but, winning days is what really matters over, I guess, losses, because you're gonna have losses regardless. But anyway, so that was just a winner for me. So I'm up $42, so yeah. It was very exciting. You missed it. Stonks with all caps. Yes, stonks. I need to figure out what emotes are, because I keep seeing them, but I need to figure out how to do like little chat interactions to, I don't know, send emotes or do something kind of more interactive, because it's kind of lame right now. I'm gonna switch to just chat. Yeah, I know. They don't have bits or anything, but there are little, there are like little chat thingies that you can do, but yeah, I did actually put I put a little bot on for the minimum amount of protection. I didn't see what it was actually for, but Zach, you can't use the N-word on stream. I'm sorry. We don't allow racial slurs here. I like honey. What were you actually trying to say? You gotta censor that slightly. Darn. No. That's what you're trying to say. Or is it ass? Was it just telling you please refrain from using the word ass? Huh. Oh. Huh. Wonder if I say it, will it bot me? Ass. Is it gonna mod me? Give it a second. Demonetize. I know. Oh, look. What the fuck? Spamming caps. This is good. Dude, I think I gotta turn that off, because Or at least tell it, like, I don't care about caps, and, that's funny. So it's not going to tell me, damn, I guess it's double standards over here. I can use the words, but you can't, little man. Little man, it's not your stream, little man. You can't be yelling at me like that. I can yell at you like that. Yeah, the most hating bot. Listen, it was free. I'm not spending money on a bot. Maybe in the future, if I get actual viewers in the hundreds, then I'll probably invest in something. But little man. Analytics. 3 likes. Chat rate 5. What does that mean? 11 views? Thank you, thank you. Actually, Zach, my mother hopped on before you, so I remember my mother, alright? Nah, just playing. At least you know how to chat. My mom doesn't. She's legally obligated to. True, true, true. Yeah, no, I appreciate you for sticking around. You don't have to, though, because I'm probably gonna, it's just gonna be boring, for sure. Unless I just keep taking trades, but right now, I don't know what I want to do. Because if we actually went down to this, I would assume that we're no longer bullish and continue selling down. Hell, damn. You might share. Jeez. What's a man gotta do? Oh, look at that little pop up. So yeah, we're just making highs. We're just making highs. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw a little box there. So anyway, the basis of trading, Zach, is price likes to go up and down, and when it goes up and then it goes down, we call that a lower high. And then when you break the previous little high point right here, we call that a lower high or a higher high. And then that's kind of about it. That's kind of what I'm looking for. That's how you sense the direction of where to trade. But other than that, it's like really simple, but really hard. But right now, we're just chilling, man. We're just talking heads. I feel like I gotta shift my desk over just slightly, tilted. You know, right now it's like this, like, well, I guess you can't see that, but it's like straight this way. I gotta shift it over, so instead of looking at it like this and then having to turn to look at you, anyway, well, I made 2 winning trades, so that's kind of what I was going to do, so I guess we might as well just play some games. You want to hop on COD? Type yes in the chat if you want to hop on COD. Or Remnant. I'm down for Remnant. Because I can switch this over in a second. Let me get right back real quick and I'll load up COD. And I'll get that shiz set up. It's updating, you bitch. Oh, by the way, you were right. The that Renetti, so apparently they buffed it for Rebirth, so that is... Oh my god, I got 7 gigabytes. But yeah, Rebirth, I guess they buffed that Renetti, so that's what... Apparently the meta tier is that conversion kit plus the... okay, well this is going to take like 5 minutes, so... It's going to take Renetti and the SO8 subverter. is supposedly the meta. Oh, I could take a trade here. See if it pops up. Yeah, I think I could win if I. Yeah, if I do it right there, I might get a little something. I don't know. Or I might not. It's kind of, but it is pretty rangy, so. Move down, see what we get. Let's see what we get. Call of Duty is updating rather slowly. God damn it. Maybe we should just do some remnant. Hang on, let me put on window G. I'm gonna add you to voice chat. I sent you an invite to voice chat. Damn, this would have been a trade that worked out too. $260 to, well, maybe not, I don't know, but I would have taken it if I was paying attention. I'm gonna make sure I'm on this one. Oh, this isn't even plugged in. Speakers. Yep. Okay, now I'm plugged into this. I think that works, but anyway, I'll do some COD. I assume you're updating. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just pop on Remnant, I guess, because this shizzles, and I'm gonna go ahead and fix this in. Gonna do game capture. Let me hide that. Do video game capture. I'm supposed to do auto. Hey, there we go. Okay, okay. Okay, yeah, I don't know, let's just play some Remnant for a little bit, I guess. Yeah, but what I can't, okay, because my screen's so big, what I can't figure out is how to, like, make it look more, I don't know, less, like, zoomed in, zoomed out, you know? Because it looks fine on mine. Oh, you know what, let me fix the display. Full screen. Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do 1080p, and that should. Yeah. Damn, dude, this looks like shit. But now it looks better for the stream. Well, that sucks. If you want it to look good for the stream, you gotta lower the quality a little bit. Alright. There's gotta be like a render. Like whatever. Kind of sucks. Oh, speaking of which, where the fuck is there a stone? So we did those two. So that's the main one I gotta do, I think. Unexplored. What is the main path? Side path, main path. Primary objectives. So we're not in any of the primary objectives. Okay, I'm gonna go to that. Also, the other thing I gotta... Oh my god, die, you stupid bitch. Fuck. Oh, my little doggy. What I gotta figure out. Oh, dude, the color scale on this thing is like terrible. It's showing you guys red, and mine is like a light orange. That's terrible. I probably shouldn't. Keep sending you. Oh wow. Oh yeah, got this little sword thingy too. Let me test that out. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. It also gives me some health. There he is. What's up, buddy?
Yo, what up?
Hello. Just over here sucking the soul out of people. Holy shit.
Hold on, I gotta turn this freaking game volume down. Jesus. I think my audio's coming on the stream.
It's probably because of... Is it? No. You hear it on the stream? Oh, it's probably because my microphone is picking up your sound.
Oh my god, they're perceiving me.
Anyway, I gotta take a left here. Right, that's the right way.
I'm no longer anonymous and mysterious.
No, you are 100%. Yeah,
Oh, you
I
said
gotta.
day trading, but now we're playing Remnant 2.
I know. I gotta. I guess update that. Maybe. I think I ate in order to get the quality right for like the stream. I have to lower the settings to 1080p. But even then, it doesn't like the streaming quality of like the picture quality does not look right.
Yeah.
I have 2 viewers. Let me change
Tell them to speak up in the chat.
Well, anyway. Oh, I'm an idiot. The second person is me. I'm watching my stream. So my primary objective...
Oh my god. Get fucked.
Dude, the primary objective is where I'm at right now, so I'm just... Oh my god.
I guess I'm about to mute your stream because you're double talk.
Is it?
Nah, it was just for me because I'm watching playing.
You're saying you have to mute... Oh,
yeah,
okay,
I do. You're
okay.
good. I do have to turn you up, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, audio issues.
I forgot what I want to buy now. There was some mod I wanted to get for a gun. Oh, I just want to level up. There was some other mod that I wanted to get.
How goes it, friend?
I'd like to upgrade my equipment. Cool. Yeah, I gotta upgrade this one too. This one's the one that has 50 damage. No? Longbow. Oh, gotta upgrade that too. Piece of shit. Oh, I forgot about the labyrinth staff. Got that one.
Labyrinth's pretty cool.
Yeah. Ah, dude, that's bullshit. It's once you get high up on that dream catcher, you gotta get all these crystals to fucking level it up.
You know where to find me.
Oops. Mutator. I'm gonna do that one. Funda. Oh, cool. Let's try that one. I
I'm
don't
eventually gonna load in.
Are you trying to get on Remnant or?
Remnant.
Yeah, okay. Wait, why is it taking so long?
Fuck if I know.
Oh, so
I got
it's loading?
a shit computer, probably.
Yeah, you do have a shit computer.
Yeah,
Not as
shit. Oh, I'm in. So you got just talk shit about it.
Damn, I do need to figure out how to get this stupid shit. Like, ooh, what's that? Ooh, that's cool. I just need a lot of luminite crystals. Oh, cool.
Move along, traveler. I'm a busy woman.
I bet you are, bitch. I wanted to get the gunslinger thing, but I kept listening to this old man tales, and it just.
Dude, no, just skip them all.
I know, but I've been skipping and skipping. I think I'm missing something. 'Cause I keep
No,
listening.
yeah, you have to progress in the
Yeah.
story a little for him to start telling new stories. About midway through Dragon Ball.
Yep, a cyclops, a living. So when the dragon finally did. That's so? Huh. Right. Listen, you sure I said, huh? Well, he's over yonder, so I was on a scrown. We can't put the look. You won't. I do. Oh, fine. That well. When I they you won't. You all right?
Hello again.
Hey, you can buy luminite crystals from here.
From where?
This chick.
Oh, really? Oh.
Yeah.
Take care now, traveler.
Oh, I didn't see you were in here. Nice. Enlarged heart. Cute. Nice. Now I need like 5. Oh, I still haven't figured out what to do with my shining essence echo. I'm supposed to like use it for a mod, but I sold it and then I have no idea what I'm supposed to do with it.
I think you can get it again, but I'm not too sure.
Oh no, I could buy it back. I just.
Kind of just fell into Sheffield. In my old gang, no one else wanted to do it.
Oh, this is new. I don't remember this guy.
I got a notion was really in Mudtooth stew. I shouldn't say without proper evidence, though. Yeah. Ain't a bug I haven't tried cooking. The trick is forgetting what's in your mouth.
Alright, let's go back. Let's go do a little playing.
Alright, I got like 20 minutes to play a match.
A COD match? Or this
I mean
match?
this. Yeah,
Okay,
whatever.
okay.
20 minutes.
Yeah, you notice how it looks like weird on stream though?
Let me see, hold on.
It's like the color's off, like everything's a little oranger than it needs to be.
Yeah, it is.
I haven't
They
really.
let the saturation up on the color, they seem more like intense.
Yeah.
But then again, I can't see. That's from my settings and it's your settings, so I don't know.
No. It's the settings on the stream, so I don't know how to like, cause it's perfect on my screen, but then it goes into the stream and it's like oversaturated. So.
Yeah.
Huh. I'll figure that out later. Whatever. I'm not really streaming Remnant, so. Dude, what the fuck? It's not even loading. There we go.
Alright, here we are.
That took
Let's
like
go.
way too long.
Here we am. Let's go.
Alright, so I think we have one door we haven't done yet.
Well. Yes.
Which is behind us, I think.
We got 2 of them.
No, wait, no, there was one that we didn't go in, remember?
Yeah, but there's 2 we haven't gone in. Let's see. It says, the yellow diamond's explored, the white diamond is, unexplored.
Right. That's what I'm talking about.
We got one in that direction and one in the opposite direction.
What do you mean?
On the map.
Oh, yeah. One that we haven't looked at. Nice. Forsaken Quarter.
Wait, now it's saying it was explored. Hold on, that's not okay. So go back the other way, this way.
Yeah, no, that's the one I'm talking about. Yeah, the one that we haven't. We could fast travel to it, I think.
Yeah, there should be a crystal right there.
Yeah, there is. Damn, that was a trick. Yeah. God damn, that hurt my soul. Apologies. Yeah, so it says find the segments in Nightweaver, so that's the only mission we have right now.
Survive.
Found some
Is it the
scrap.
right way? Yes,
Yeah.
it is the right way, yes. And it's over here.
What can I say? I'm a pro.
Alright, so I'm gonna shoot them with my gun and then you shoot them with your gun. And I think that's a good plan.
Okay, but I also think that my little minions will
Hey,
just take care of
no
everything.
demonic plant something, okay?
No, we're putting the demonic everywhere, bro. Makes everything easy. Do. I'm coming.
Gross.
That was an hour ago. My bad. No, I was looking at a different stream. Ooh, a checkpoint. Hey, let me hit this guy. Watch this. Oh, I remember this. This is the burning building area. I like died constantly. You get like experience points. Is that what the little numbers are when they pop up? What are you hitting them with? What do you have?
Hit him with a hammer.
Oh, you got a little rocket hammer? Oh. Ooh, there's a treasure chest here? Ah, it's right there. I don't remember what we're supposed to do here, but I do remember I died a lot.
I think just get to the end. There's like an item here, I think.
Yeah, there's an item.
I think it's the gear for the clock tower.
Ah, okay. Good.
Not gonna lie, hearing my own voice is a little strange. It is the gear from the clock tower. I think.
Oh, yeah, right here. Oh. Okay, well now I gotta figure out which way to rotate this. Ah, dude, we were supposed to look at the clock tower. Hold on. Let me look at the...
No, I think we can just bring it, right?
Do you have it? 'Cause I'm looking at this little clock thingy.
I know it's tied to the clock thing, for sure. You can just Google it.
I'm doing it right now.
Oh, it's up here, I think, maybe. It was not.
You found a trait though. Good job. Okay. Okay, so this one goes to the second one. I got it.
Nice, sure god. Now we go back. Now we can teleport back to the clock tower.
Yeah, I'm a god. I Googled it. What can I say? They don't have that in Remnant 2. Google. Alright, well, that was underwhelming, really.
Yeah, right.
Oh, I fell down. Idiot. And I'm on fire. Checkpoint. Alright, here we go.
Nice. Wait, don't leave without me. Ah!
See you later, dog.
Hey, fuck that dog.
Fuck you, bitch.
Sorry, Chad. I love dogs, actually.
Yeah, I would never eat a dog.
Totally not a cat person. I would never eat a dog.
Dude, so you know what Maine Coons are?
Yes.
They're like the most giant cat breed. So apparently there's an actual breeder in Huntsville, so I want to buy one from them. But
Oh, I kind of want one too now.
dude, they're the biggest cat breed. It's so fucking cool.
I just want a big ass cat.
That's what I want, like the size of a dog, bro. Because you know they're so fluffy, right? So they're like big and fluffy,
Yeah, yeah.
and they love cuddling. They said they're like
Bro,
one
when I
of those.
told you, what did I tell you? I was like, remember I said, hey, these bags are gonna move.
You did tell me that, and I honestly I never you know didn't think that was not gonna happen.
Okay.
But so you can't go that
I
way.
picked up already. We go back to town. We I think turn this up.
Oh,
Up the dog again.
well, doesn't know how to listen, and he's dead. That's funny.
What time is it? I only got like 10 minutes yet.
Our place is finally. Did I tell you? I don't know if you heard this. Our place is finally getting a coffee shop in a couple of months.
You did.
So I was like, cool. Where do we go? Oh, let me just hit the checkpoint. It'll tell us.
We go back to town, see what this makes.
Oh, town. Let me see what this says. Nope, still says primary objective is there, but whatever. I'll just go back to Ward. I thought it was just an amulet thingy. Or maybe it's let me look at my inventory.
No, it said new materials, so I think it's gonna be crafted in something.
Oh, crafting material, yeah. Oh, so you haven't gotten that before?
No, I got in there, but I was like, I couldn't be bothered to find the cog.
Why did you bring me?
Time lapse. Oh, it freezes. Oh, dude, that's sick. I need 2 more luminite crystals. I'm getting
Oh
that.
shit, time lapse. That's cool.
It freezes for like 7 seconds, so that's actually pretty good.
Nice
See,
stasis.
Do you have luminite crystals? She does not have luminite crystals. Oh, she's got a twisted idol amulet that increases armor effectiveness by 35%. She got a decayed margin amulet. Melee hits.
Huh? Oh,
Corrupted luminite. That's
hold on
cool.
1 second.
Don't be a stranger, okay?
Well, that's retarded. Well, now I gotta figure out where I can buy all that shit. I'm gonna go to this guy because we got some relic dust, so I can.
The pestilence has
Reloading increases the damage of this weapon's next shot. Oh, cool, cool. No, increases. Don't I have that? I don't have that. Ah, stupid.
Yo, I gotta get off. I'll be
Okay.
on a little bit later if you want to play some more.
Alright, cool, man, cool. That's cool.
Yeah, that's fun, man.
Yeah, this is fun.
The stonks.
The stonks. Yeah, there's a lot of I guess I don't know. It's not really competitive as a space, and there's people that do it. So as a OG, been around for a while. The only way you actually really get views, and I've noticed the people that actually get like a good audience is people that are actually making money, because everyone's like, oh my god, that's so crazy. But then by that point, if you're making that much money, then
I think by virtue of what you're doing, you got the thumbnail down pretty alright. You got the transitions and stuff going. You know, obviously like
yeah.
a little bit of fine tuning, everything will make it pretty good.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, yeah, that's all good. But
You got the transitions down though. I was actually like, yo, that was a really good fucking scene transition.
oh yeah, thanks. I bought that. It's literally you just press a button on your Streamlabs thing. It has like different scenes because there's a scene editor. You just like click those. But yeah, the transitions. I was like, yo. I was like, this is the highlight of the stream. So stupid, but
Yeah.
all right. Appreciate it,
brother.
man. Appreciate it.
You
You have a good one.
Good day, brother. I'll see you later on if you want to play some more.
Yeah, I'll probably hop on. All right. Peace, bro.
Later.
Traveler returns. They don't like it when I help you. But it is.
Orb of Undoing. Oh, that's actually pretty neat. Let me go
Until
back.
next time.
There we go. Me or me, I got. Cough, cough. Smoker's Lungs. Which door is this pointed at? Oh, okay, so what is that one? Good. Yeah, man, that's disappointing. Oh, it would have been like so close to. But if I held it below here and back up, would have gotten it. Would have gotten it. So yeah, we're bullish, no longer kind of bearish about that. But I think this was a really more or less a dumber trade to have taken this one, because it just kind of broke. Could have went down, but I was like, there's enough wiggle room that we could get what I want. I was willing to take, you know, more of a scalp, but yeah, that worked out so well for me. I think my trade location was up there though. Yeah, I had to have been. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So we did that. I was like, yada yada yada. I like using this omni trend thing because that actually works for me. Like sometimes, like it's really good. That being a great indicator. The omni trend though just uses ATR and moving average to kind of position itself. So that's why I like it the most. Let me put a little background noise on. Yeah, so we got lower, high, high, high. So I would have used that one. Which again, perfect. Yeah, and the range kind of chilled out for a second here, or the volatility. Kind of chilled out there, so we're hitting the lower ends, but I think we'd still get 10 points. But the fact that I could hit my stop around here, it'd still be only 34 ticks instead of a lot, so we'll go up here. Really here is where I would have tried to get it. Yeah, it was perfect. So I would have taken that trade. Hell yeah, brother. But I think I'm gonna go. It's 11:40. Feeling a little sick from something. Alright, I'm gonna end the stream here. Alright, well, thanks for sticking around, guys.